ito yung sa morning, warm water. I believe kasi na it cleanses my inside. So, tuwing umaga, umiinom talaga ako ng hot water. Yung sakto lang yung lamig, ay yung init. Ayan. So, hindi lang sa umaga ako umiinom ng mainit. After meal also, lalo na kapag feeling very full ako, busog na busog. So, I used to have a cup of hot water or warm water. And it's really, really good. Then, inhale, exhale din ako mamaya. So, maganda to sa umaga. Yung pagkising mo pa lang, napanood ko din kay Dr. Willie Ong, yung warm, hot water na nililinis daw yung mga, bitukan natin. So, kailangan natin to ng warm water early in the morning. Yan. So, ginagawa ko siya. Kasi mostly kasi sa paggising ko sa umaga, may pagka-acidic kasi ako kaya kailangan ko talaga ito ng hot water. Okay, naubos ko na. Next is, I'll do my inhale, exhale. So, 10 minutes naman yun. Next na ginagawa ko, inhale, exhale. Okay. So, maganda siya. Really good for the lungs. So, eto, upo lang ako. So, kahit kung saan ka komportable, yun ang gagawin mong pag-upo. Okay. So, mostly ito yung Indian seat also, maganda rin yun. So, since nandito ako, so ito yung gagawin ko. So, mahilig ako magbasa ng books. So, ito yung binabasa ko, itong The Miracle of Mindfulness. Ayan. So, itong books na to, itong author na to, teaching you how to be in a present at the moment. Kung ano yung ginagawa mo, kailangan yung mind mo nandoon. So, lahat ng ginagawa mo dapat is nandoon yung soul, nandoon yung presence of mind mo. So, mindfulness ang tinatawag natin. So, I'll spend 10 to 15 minutes reading. So, ang sabi dito, we must be conscious of each breath, each movement, every thought and feeling, everything which has any relation to ourselves. So lovely, no? So, tatlo na yung ano niya, bulaklak. Ayan. So cute. Bulaklak, ayan. So, ito yung ginagawa ko tuwing umaga. Pero hindi ko siya dinidiligan everyday. Kasi mga indoor plants siya. So, yan yung aking morning routine. Kinakausap ko yung mga plants ko kasi it's very good for the mind, for the health. Nakugalan ko na kasi na tuwing umaga, I have to visit my plants, talk to them, just say good morning. And then, so that's how my day, my morning, how I spend my morning. Then later, magpiprepare naman ako ng breakfast. So mostly, so next time on my vlog, I'll show you how I prepare our breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So mostly we start with fruits after coffee or warm water or tea. Then we will have breakfast, our fruits first. So we enjoy the seasonal fruits. So this time, ang maraming fruits ngayon ay mangoes, watermelon, lychees, and peaches. Ayan, so yung mga ginagawa namin. And then I'll do my exercise. Also, so ang pinakita ko lang sa inyo is my breathing na last for 10 to 15 minutes. So, that's my morning routine. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.